Hello, and in this video I want to discuss what I have been working on for the past week, and at the end I will go over what I plan on getting done by next week. So let's get started. Basically, this is what my scene looks like right now. It doesn't look like much, and the reason for that being is this is one floor of our level, of one level, and it's blank because we haven't populated with any furniture or anything of the like to give it the feel that we want the story to have yet. But it was basically my job to program the mechanics and how the player, represented by a cube for now, will interact with the floor. It was my job to set up how the camera and the player will interact on each floor, and the goal is to populate this floor, and we can copy and paste this, and we can stack them on top of each other to create our levels, which is a building composed of many floors. So that's the ultimate goal, but this is what I have so far, and everything works that I planned on getting to work. Let's get started. I will go into the camera's perspective, and we'll just hit play. As you can see, left and right, they work. The player faces the correct direction. We have some jumping implemented. The player cannot jump while he is in midair, so that is implemented correctly. That's the mechanics we want for the player for now. And if the player gets too close to a wall, he turns, and this is basically how he's going to traverse each of the levels, as you can see. And if we go in the opposite direction, it pretty much works the same way. So that's what the player running through each individual floor is going to look like, and that is how the camera is going to track the player's movements. And that's pretty much it for everything I wanted to get done by this Thursday. What I want to get done by next Thursday is create some sort of access point between the floors. It'll possibly be represented by a door on the side of the walls, or an elevator perhaps, or maybe a staircase, and basically the player will go through them or interact with them and will go up or down a floor. And it'll probably take some Python script to set the active camera between the floors so that our camera changes as our player comes out on the new floor. And that's pretty much what I hope to get done by next week, basically access points, which takes a little bit of object creation for the door, a little bit of animation and logic bricks for animating the player and how he looks going in and out the door, and a little bit of Python scripting for the logic behind the camera. And that's pretty much what I get done by next Thursday. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.